Hi, I'm Spencer from the Saucony Human Performance and Innovation Lab. I'm here to tell you about the new Hurricane ISO 4. The most interesting thing about this shoe is the new full-length Everrun midsole. Everrun is incredibly durable, incredibly flexible, maintains its properties over the length of a run over the life of the shoe. It also has a medial post. So for those runners who need fantastic amount of cushioning, but also need a little medial control, the Hurricane ISO 4 really delivers. Plus, the Hurricane has a topsole that is another layer of Everrun, a little bit softer, that's up closer to your foot to help distribute the pressure of your foot pushing against the ground. And finally, it has this great ISOFIT upper, conforms to all kinds of foot shapes. So the result is a shoe that has incredibly bouncy, lively, great cushioning feel, but provides the stability that some runners need. The Hurricane ISO 4, it breaks all the rules for stability shoes and delivers a fantastic run.